Hello everyone, mabuhay. I am Alvin Chavez, first year student from British Egypt. Today, I will be sharing my thoughts about my role in globalization world. For me, globalization means the growing connection and interaction among people, countries, and cultures around the world. It allows us to exchange ideas, products, and information faster than ever before. One positive effects of globalization that I see the easy access to education and information through the internet. As a student, I can learn from international resources and connect with people from other countries online. However, a negative effect is that it sometimes leads to loss of cultural identity as many people start to adopt foreign habits and forget their own traditions. As a student, being a responsible global citizen means using these global connections wisely. It means respecting other cultures while still valuing my own. One way I can make a positive impact is by promoting digital responsibility using social media to spread kindness, awareness, and truthful information instead of hate or fake news. In today's global world, our actions, big or small, can affect others around the globe. As sabi nga ng iba, be the change you wish to see in the world. Thank you for listening.